Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time for Number Corner. All right, Kipsters, remember, we got to sing our songs before we start learning today. All right, get up on your feet, and we are going to start singing our months of the year. Get ready. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha, cha, cha. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, Kipsters. We know our days of the week. We know our months of the year. And today is the last day of this week for Number Corner. Do you know what today is? Oh, okay. My turn first, and then your turn. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. You say it. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Whoa. And Kipsters, we have to add one more day to our day of learning at home. So I'm going to get my cube and I'm going to add one more day to our day of learning at home. Yesterday, we knew that we had been learning for 18 days. Who knows what is one more than 18? Shout it out. 19. It is 19. Okay, let's double check our work, Kipsters. Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Whoa, 19 days you guys have been growing your brains at home. That is so great. But Kipsters, I want to know if you still know how to count. Say, uh-huh. Oh, yeah. I can count. By ones, 220. 220. All right, if you are ready to count by ones to 20, get your brains ready and get ready to count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa, Kipsters, we counted to 20, but now I want to know if we can count backwards from 20. Can you count backwards from 20? Okay, let's get ready. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoa, Kipsters. But not only can we count backwards, not only can we count from 1 to 20, but I know that Kipsters can count from ones starting at any number. Are you ready to count? All right. You don't know. Where's my stick? Gonna go. Let's see. Let's start with 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Whoa, should we keep counting, Kipsters? Okay, let's keep counting. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Whew, that was a lot of counting, Kipsters. Are you ready to find out what we are going to do today in Number Corner? So, Kipsters, today in Number Corner, are going to learn about greater than, less than, and equal to. And who remembers when Stinky the Sock came out last week and he was gonna eat Miss Bloom because Stinky the Sock is a hungry sock and he always eats the bigger numbers. He always eats the bigger numbers. Yes, and so, Kipsters, we're gonna go do some work on my whiteboard with me and we're gonna figure out what it means for it to be greater than, less than, or equals to. Are you ready? Okay, so before we go learning, on our papers, we are going to, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. You are going to go get a piece of paper and something to write with. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right. Now, Kipsters, are you back? Are you ready to learn? Okay, I'm ready. So, Kipsters, I'm going to write my greater than sign, my less than sign, and my equals to. Remember, Stinky the Sock always eat the bigger number. All right, so I'm going to tell you guys a story. So over the weekend, I was playing a game with my daughters, and all of my friends know that I love eating Skittles. So I had some Skittles, and then Essence had some Skittles. I'm going to tell you, I had 7 Skittles. I had how many Skittles? 7 Skittles. So I'm going to draw my 7 Skittles. As I'm drawing my 7 Skittles, I want you to also draw your 7 Skittles. Got it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to label my work because I know this is the number. There are 7 Skittles, so I'm going to write the number 7. Okay. I'm going to give you a few seconds to do this, Kipsters. But then, Essence, she had, and let me get a different marker for Essence. No, I'm going to use the same marker. Essence had 1, 2, 3, 4 Skittles. Essence had how many Skittles? 4 Skittles. So Miss Bloom had 7 Skittles and Essence had 4 Skittles. And I want to know, is 7 greater than 4? Is 7 less than 4? Or if 7 is equals to 4? I know that greater means the number is bigger than. The number is bigger than. And I know less than means the number is smaller than. The number is smaller than. And I know equals to mean it's the same. So, on the count of 3, I want you to shout out if it's greater than, less than, or equals to. 1, 2, 3. Greater than. Say greater than. And remember, Stinky the Sock always eat the bigger number. So then I'm going to make this sign greater than. Kind of like the alligator eating the bigger number too. Okay. You guys got that? You guys want to do a couple more problems? You guys got this? I can see you guys being like, Miss Bloom, we got this. Okay. All right, because I'm going to trick you. I'm going to give you a bigger number. All right. So, Kipsters, not only was me and Essence eating Skittles, but also Azadi was eating Skittles with us too. And Azadi, she is greedy. Don't tell her I said that. She loves candy. I tell her all the time, her teeth is going to be so bad. Do you love candy? Okay, well, Azadi had 10 Skittles. She had how many Skittles? Okay, let's draw our 10 Skittles. We can draw circles or we can kind of draw our own little Skittles. I'm going to draw circles because it's going to be a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put them in groups of 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put my number 10 at the bottom. And then I'm going to write Azadi's name. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 more seconds to finish writing. Okay. And then Ms. Bloom, who remembers how many Skittles did Ms. Bloom have? 7. Ms. Bloom had 7 Skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me make sure you can see it. 5, 6, 7. I need to know. Oh, and I got to write my 7. Don't forget to show your work so you can see your numbers. Is 10 greater than 7? Is 10 less than 7? Or is 10 equals to 7? On the count of 3, you're going to shout out if it's greater, less, or equals to. 1, 2, 3. Bigger, right? It is greater than. It is greater than. Because we know that 10 is bigger than 7. Because Azadi has more Skittles than Ms. Bloom. Azadi has more Skittles than Ms. Bloom. Okay, one more problem. I'm going to try to trick you guys. Do not get tricked. Okay? All right. But then, Kipsters, my whole family just loves Skittles. My nephew, Josiah, he loves Skittles too. And Josiah is in NIU. Say, hey, Josiah. Hey, Josiah. Okay, Josiah loves Skittles. So, Miss Bloom had how many Skittles? 7 Skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to write my number 7. Miss Bloom had 7 Skittles. But then Josiah, he was mad at me because I was like, Josiah, you cannot have a lot of Skittles. Okay? But he was like, but Auntie, he calls me Auntie. He's like, but Auntie, I love Skittles too. So I was like, okay, Josiah, I'll give you some Skittles. And Josiah had 9 Skittles. How many Skittles? 9 Skittles. Well, let's count our number. Let's count our Skittles up to 9. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa. Kipsters, we need to think. Does Miss Bloom have more or greater Skittles than Josiah? Does Miss Bloom have less Skittles than Josiah? Or do we have the same amount of Skittles? Is 7 greater than 9? Is 7 less than 9? Or 7 equals 2? On the count of 3, you're going to shout it out. 1, 2, 3. Less than. What? Less than. Yes. Kipsters. Because, remember, Stinky the Sock always eat the bigger number. And Stinky the Sock, he wanted to eat Josiah's Skittles. So, we have to make sure that we eat the bigger number. The mouth has to eat the bigger number. All right. Was that fun? All right. Kipsters, if you have not already, you need to make sure you are working on your problems with Miss Bloom, and make sure you send a picture to your teachers so we can see all your hard work at home. Have a good weekend.